Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Franklin County, Ohio, northern Pickaway County, southeastern Madison County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Sterling, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Bexley, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Asheville, Mount Sterling, South Bloomfield, Whitehall, Obetz, Commercial Point, Lycopolis, Urban Crest, Harrisburg, Orient, Lockbourne, Darbyville, Bryce, and Chenoweth. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 104 and 111. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 79 and 105. A severe thunderstorm